Learn French basics online with Pascal. Some other third group verbs, apart from RE verbs, the ones we saw in the previous lesson. There are some ER verbs that are not the second group verb, but they're part of the third group verbs. So venir, to come, partir, leave, sortir, go out, sentir, to feel, servir, serve, dormir, sleep. And some of them we'll see in other lessons, like faire, mettre, and prendre is another lesson. So some RE verbs that we saw before in the previous lesson and others we'll see later. Boire, to drink, lire, to read, écrire, write, we'll see this one in this lesson. Mettre, to put on in another lesson. Faire, to do, to make in the next one. Prendre, to take, vendre, to sell. Some voir verbs, so notice that the OE is pronounced wa. So devoir, pouvoir, vouloir, so must and can or be able to and want are different lessons on the modal verbs, and they're very important verbs. We'll see them later. Voir, to see or watch. Savoir, to know. So just notice that these verbs, venir for example, all those verbs that contain venir are conjugated the same way as this one. So devenir, to become, revenir, come back. And mettre, these verbs are conjugated the same way as mettre. So permettre, to allow, promettre, to promise, and commettre, to commit. And prendre, apprendre is conjugated the same way as prendre, so to learn. Comprendre, to understand. So le verbe écrire, to write. J'écris une lettre, I write a letter. Tu écris un courriel, you write an email. In France they'll say tu écris un mail, message électronique, MEL. In Quebec we use courriel. Il écrit une dissertation, an essay. Elle écrit sans faute, she writes without any mistakes. Nous écrivons sur du papier, we write on paper. Vous écrivez sur l'ordinateur, you write on the computer. Ils écrivent bien, they write well. Elles n'écrivent pas bien, the negative form. They do not write well. Le verbe sortir, so it's an ER verb which is not part of the second group but third group verbs. So going out. Je sors ce soir, I'm going out tonight. And the people in the background are laughing because they know I like to go dancing on the weekend. Tu sors toutes les fins de semaine. You go out every weekend. Il sort souvent. He often goes out. Or he goes out often. Elle sort de chez elle. She leaves her place. Nous sortons peu. Little. We don't go out much. Vous sortez du trou. Getting out of the hole. It can be a bad situation or financial situation. Ils sortent. They go out. Elles sortent pour aller danser. They go out to go dancing. Le verbe savoir, to know, so it's a voir verb. Je sais cela, I know this, or I know that. Tu sais qu'elle t'aime, you know she loves you. Il sait bien écrire. Nous savons ceci, we know this, so ceci is this and cela is that. Vous ne savez pas, you don't know. Ils savent nager, they know how to swim. So notice the difference between connaître, which is to know, and savoir, to know as well, but used differently. So connaître is more when you know someone, like je le connais, I know him. And savoir is to know something. Question et réponse. Sors-tu Ce soir, are you going out tonight? Oui, je vais danser. Sors-tu tous les week-ends? Je sors tous les samedis soirs. I go out every Saturday night. Dors-tu tard le dimanche? Do you sleep in on Sunday? So we don't have an expression for sleep in, we just say late, sleep late. Oui, je dors tard le dimanche. Écris-tu un courriel? Oui, j'envoie un email à ma fille. I'm sending an email to my daughter. So, the next lesson will be le verbe faire, to do or to make. And we have a lot of expressions with faire it's a very important lesson. So, see you in the next one.